Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the AVM FRITZ Box 7590 high-end WLAN AC plus and router WDSL/ADSL 424 MIMO with 1733 in the 5 GHz and 800 Mbit per second speed up. VDSL Supervectoring 35B DCT base, and it is a media server. That it is nice device for your home LAN, internet access and telephone center. Let's go all about the flagship. Discover the top model Fritz Box 7590 with its brand new design. High-speed wireless LAN with multi-user MIMO provides for even greater range and speed. Modern hardware, architecture and fast ports make that 7590 an expert for the home networks. Supervectoring for up to 300 megabit per second through the implementation of Supervectoring, the 7590 is setting new standards. We enable rates of up to 300 Mbits per second during download. This triples the speed on the DSL connection. Aside from the best wireless local area network, fast gigabit LAN and powerful USB 3.0 supports around out the high-speed network. The full package also includes a complete telephone system with an answering machine and fax function. Start your Wi-Fi sport. The 7590 relies on fast wireless AC with multi-user MIMO so that videos, music and photos can be distributed in the new home network without a loading bar on the smartphone, tablet or other handheld. Unlike the consecutive streaming to individual devices of the past, now data streams are distributed and concurrently to achieve higher wireless LAN speeds. As a result, the 7590 reached transmissions rates of up to 1733 Mbit per second on the 5 GHz band, plus 800 Mbit per second on the 2.4 GHz band. This makes calling fun. Along with the Fritz Box 7590, you will have a complete telephone system to connect all your phones, be they IP, ISDN or analog. And using the Fritz Box app phone is easy to make calls at home on your smartphone. The app also informs you of calls and voice message when you are on the go. The answering machine and the fax function includes the fax-to-mail, bring additive convenience. Oh, that is an award-winning simplicity. The operation concept of the Fritz Box has won awards from the press and praise from users of achieving its goal, keeping everything as simple as possible. A clear user interface and a wizard accompany you every step of the way. The backside in it says it is a ADSL VDSL slot DSL line, 2 times analog's power, analog telephone, fax and answering machine. The ISDN slot is for telephone and telephone systems. The gigabit WAN is the blue spot, connecting to a cable, fiber optic modem or local area network. 4 times gigabit LAN. That means 1 gigabyte per second. PCs, game consoles, etc. There is 1 power slot and 2 times USB 3.0 for printer storage medias, LTE, UMTS, HSPA plus dongles and USB devices. 4 times 4 wireless AC plus and notebooks, smartphones, video, TV and streaming all in one machine. And of course the DECT. It's for the Fritz phone or other DC telephones, and you can use it easy as going. Really easy. That is a nice and easy and high efficient product I am using it all the time. And you can use this at DSL modem, at cable, router, and so many other different things you can see, and it looks really beautiful with this white and red design. There it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.